What's going on, everybody? Today we're building up a Haro Group 1 RS3 from 1987. This frame has been repowdered by Axiom powder coating. So he did the black to blue fade. Also, the stickers are done by Rebel Art Design. So if you're looking for stickers for your old school restoration, hit up Rebel Art Design and the guy will set you up with the exact stickers that you need for your old school bike. From there, we go on to the forks. Next, we have the Haro bars with a Group 1 stem. We have Amy grips with Tech 77 lever. We have a Peregrine seat post clamp. Haro Group 1 pedals. Haro Group 1 cranks in chrome. A Haro Team sprocket with an American bottom bracket. SE Donuts, a white KMC chain. Diacomp MX brakes. A Dominator seat. These are a silver wheel set with Tioga Comp 3 tires. We also have the original Haro seat post. So let's get to the build. Stay tuned. So we decided to throw on these Vans brake pads with the Vans shoe. And we also decided to throw on these SE chain tensioners. All right, what's up everybody? We finally finished this beautiful Haro Group 1 RS3 from 1987. Very, very proud of how this bike came out. I'm gonna go through everything with you, including the stickers that were done by Rebel Art Design, as well as the powder coating by Axiom Powder Coating. Make sure you check them out on Instagram. So let's go through the parts. First of all, we have the Amy grip with the SC donut, a Tech 77 lever with the locking, a 1664 white brake cable, Teflon. These are unknown handlebars. We got the Haro Group 1 stem with the La Casa blue stem bolts. This is the front end. We have Tioga Comp 3 tire with these chrome forks and these nice wheels. We also put on the blue bullets. These are the Haro Fusion pedals with the Haro Group 1 crank and the Haro Team sprocket. We did a KMC chrome chain. This is a Peregrine seat post clamp with the Haro post. A plastic Dominator seat. We put on the Diacomp MX brakes with the Vans shoe brake pads. Tioga Comp 3 again on the back with the bullet valve cap. We put on these SE chain tensioners. These are the stickers that we threw on. If you're looking for a pair for your Group 1 or any bike, you got to check out the Rebel Art Design. He'll make whatever you want for you. So this is the Group 1, looks beautiful. Comment below if you rode one in the 80s. Let us know what Haro bike you rode. And thanks for watching. Check out some of the other old school builds on the YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys later.